What's your name?
My name? Name?
My name is...
Like?
Okay, how old are you? How old are you? I am
3.
3 years old. Alright, hey! Okay, binilang niyo pa talaga sa kamay niya yung, yung age niya. Okay, thank you! What's up? Come here. Okay, introduce your name and then what profession kaya yung gusto niya someday?
My name is Rami Lain.
Okay, your name again?
My name is Rami Lain.
Okay, your age? How old are you now?
6 years old.
Okay, 6 years old. And what do you want to be in the future?